Guys, today we are going to do an unboxing and display of the Home Depot 5-foot Graven Bones LED Gargoyle. The Gargoyle monument weighs in about 35 pounds and retails for $99. Okay, taking a look inside the box, we have the main structure, and it's inverted in its own base here. When assembling the gargoyle to the base, pay attention to this shape. It matches the base of the gargoyle and shows the correct way to position it on top of the base. Snaps together pretty quickly, just 4 pieces. The base, the body of the gargoyle that snaps on there that I haven't snapped on just yet, and the 2 wings just snap into these 2 little areas here. There's the power connect. It does have LED lights. It lights up its eyes and wings and things. Got a light that shines up from right there that lights up the body. And I believe the wings light up also. We'll have to take a look at it tonight. It does have the LED lights in front of the wings, so when you put the wing on, the LED light will highlight and light the wing up at night also. So LED lights here that light the wings, here that light the body and the eyes. And there you have it. 5-foot gargoyle.